Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm looking quite kind of different than from my last video. I have my hair up, I have a nice print blouse, which I don't usually use print, but for today's video, I want to look extra. Like I even put earrings on, put my hair up. This Valentine's Day, it's gonna be one filled with family and friends rather than a couple, so I can relate being negative about Valentine's Day this year. Even if you don't feel like hating on Valentine's Day, I feel like being immature and looking like that bitch with really edgy makeup and just, you know, I just want to feel myself. I want to feel good and sexy and badass. And if you want to feel badass with me too, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I've already prepped kind of like my face a little bit. I have a lot of mask acne and overall general acne. So I wanted to kind of prep myself up a little bit. I put a little bit of the Maybelline Instant Atrium one. I feel like this is such a true gem because it doesn't feel like anything on the skin. So it really helped to just make like a more unified skin tone and just covering a little bit of everything and without feeling heavy. So yeah, I also pricked my eyes with that. So let's get started with the eyes first. I was kindly gifted the Profusion Mixed Metals palette. I've never tried this brand before and I want to give it a go, especially with all these cool metals. Let's just dig in. I'm gonna start with the shade Classic and kind of put that all over my eyes and then we'll go from there. Now that I've prepped my eyes with the shade Classic, and I'm gonna go with the shade Demo, which is dark bronze shade. And I'm kind of gonna smudge that from the lid to my crease, but not going super far. I want to really concentrate the colors here. Kind of go like really edgy and dark within the lines. So as you can see, I used this shade Demo to kind of carve out those halo eyes. And I've never quite used a metallic shade to just use as a crease shade, let's call it. I'm really into it. I feel like it's going to give it that smudgy effect that I want. So I'm just going to go ahead and right in there. To deepen that bronzy shade, I'm going to go into the shade VIP, which is pretty much a black shade with a bunch of glitter as well. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm gonna go into the shade Spice and put that in the middle of everything just to kind of give that red vibe. But I don't think I'm gonna use my finger, but rather just a blending brush to kind of give it like a softer look, kind of like smudged out. And then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I am in love with this look. I don't know if I should add some glitter or not. Since we're going extra, I will. I do have a glitter, gold glitter liner. This is the Profusion Sparkling Eyeliner, and I think I'm just gonna add some drops of glitter in the middle of the eyelid just to like give it some other glow. Honestly, this is me taking a really big leap because I've never tried this before, but it's paying off really good to be ballsy today. This is exactly what I was going for, and it looks amazing, and it's not burning my eyes, so that's great. That's great. So I'm gonna put my Marc Jacobs liner in Irony, which is a really dark gray. I'm gonna do it on the upper eye and then on the lower end, and I'm gonna do my face, and then we're gonna get back to the eyes. Okay guys, so this is what the face is looking like. I'm obviously gonna zoom it out and show you guys, but if you could see that I used a couple of concealers, if we're talking now, we're giving count, there are 3. So the Maybelline one, and then I did my foundation, and then I used the Born This Way, and then the Tarte, just because they have different shades, and the Born This Way has a really high coverage, and it's more on my natural skin color. That's why I wanted to cover more for here and here. And then just to brighten the under eyes, I used the Tarte one, and I'm really happy with how everything's looking. I really wanted everything to be very much covered because I wanna, not that pimples or anything are bad, but I really wanted to feel myself and just, you know, perfection. So I'm gonna finish off the eyes, which I want to keep smoky just like that. So I think I'm gonna smudge that same shade that we have at the top, the black one, and then what I'm gonna do is in the middle, I'm gonna use a little bit of this glitter liner just to keep that shiny, glittery effect going on. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with Demo as well because I really like effectively the same thing, just without the red. Here, so this is the final look, and I am so in love with the final product. I feel like this is exactly what I've had in mind for the past 2 days. I'm just gonna try to get a little bit closer so you can get a little bit closer. So I got the highlighter on, which is a super reflective one. Usually in my regular days, I use very easygoing highlighters, very reflective, natural ones, but I just wanted that bang, and I just wanted the smoky, you know, seductive eyes. So I used Prim for the lip, which is a darker red. I was gonna go for Russian red, which is a, you know, a true red, but I didn't feel like it matched the vibe of the eyes. And regularly, again, I would go for a more nude option because the eyes are already so dark, but I really wanted to get this vibe. And not because I'm feeling negative or anything, I just wanted to feel really badass, really grungy, and I feel like with this lipstick I achieved it. And I didn't, you know, film myself putting this on because obviously I don't know how to, and I made a mess of myself. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it, and I'm so psyched of how this looks. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. And also, comment down below how you're feeling about Valentine's this year. How's everything going with the pandemic? For me, it's more, I don't know. I think I'm gonna spend it with my mom, which is not bad at all, now that I think of it. So, yeah, you guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!